Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for those of y'all that are new, my name is Denise Marie, and I just want to first say thank you to everybody that watches and to all my new subscribers, because I have noticed a couple of new subscribers. So I just want to welcome y'all guys and thank you for coming on this journey with me. And so let's go ahead and jump into this video. So today I'm going to be doing a clean and decorate with me. My husband and I moved into our home about 4 months ago, and when we moved in, we just kind of threw our stuff in the restroom and called it a day. So I have been slowly but surely buying things and to decorate our restroom, and it's not exactly what I want it to be, but it's a start, and it definitely looks a lot better, as you see in the end, than what it looked like before. And I will show you the products that I am using to clean with, and let's go ahead and just jump in and get started. So also, I just wanted to give y'all guys some background about my husband and I. We have actually been married for 10 years now, and we have two beautiful children together, Benjamin, who is 9 years old, and Ava Rose, who is 7 years old. I also have two older children who are 19 and 21, Martin and Mark. And I am also a grandma. I kind of hate to admit it, but I am. No, actually, I don't hate to admit it. I love it. I really do. I am a grandmother to a grandma, actually, to a 2-year-old. And, excuse me. Like I said, we just bought this home about 4 months ago. We're very excited to turn this house into a home. And I'm so glad that y'all guys have subscribed to come on this journey with us. So yeah. So next I'm going to show you the products I use. I use Kaboom and Method Daily Shower, True Grit wipes, and this spray away glass cleaner. Also this scrub brush that I did purchase from Target. And then you'll see my mop and my broom. Those are from Target as well. They're from the Cabela line, which I really love. All right, guys, so I'm done with the cleaning. Everything's nice and clean, smells good. And so now we can definitely start decorating. I gotta tell you guys, my husband and I love our walk-in shower. I did not even want a tub, and I know lots of people love a tub, but I love my walk-in shower. I do. I gotta admit it. So if you saw my last haul, I got these towels from Target, $4 for 2 towels. These 2 containers are from Hobby Lobby. I got those a while back. They were about like $1.72 each. This basket I got online, it was $5. And this basket I got at Goodwill for about maybe $5. The trash can I already had. And then this rug I got 2 years ago on clearance. I think it said $7 on there. That candle there, that is actually a gift. And then the little tree or the little plant is from IKEA. So if y'all are wondering why I am putting our towels in this basket, it's because we do not have a linen closet. So this is our, this is where I put my towels for now. So if you have stayed with me this long, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell right next to it. It notifies you when I have a new video out. And definitely follow me on Instagram. It's going to be Denise_Marie06. I hope I have inspired y'all to clean and decorate your own home. And I will see y'all guys in the next video. Bye.